This is your boy Brando with Fitness Protocols. In this episode, I share methods to gaining power and strength via compound movements, also known as powerlifting. Welcome to Powerlifting 101. Before we begin, let's talk about the correlation between strength and muscle gain. As we gain strength, adaptation occurs and we pack on muscle. As we gain additional strength, then additional muscle, then gain further strength, adaptation occurs, then additional muscle, so on and so forth. In order to increase strength, we must lift heavy weight frequently and at low volume. Heavy weight frequently at low volume. This is the formula right here. And this is accomplished by the 3 power movements: 1 bench press, 2 squats, and 3 deadlift. These are referred to as the big 3. Let's take a look at the beginner program that I recommend it to everyone that's starting their fitness journey, the 5x5 Stronglift program. It's a balanced program that offers extreme progress in a short period of time while allowing time to practice form. Let's review it now. The program consists of workout A and workout B. Your assistance sets for workout A is going to be biceps and triceps, and for B, it's traps and calves. The program is a 3-day training schedule, alternating between workout A and workout B. The choice is up to you whether you want to do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. And if you miss a day, don't stress about it. Just move the missed workout to the following day. Remember the importance of the accessory work to minimize the weaknesses that would develop with time. This is due to the linear nature and lack of cross-platform muscle targeting. Some examples would be reverse curls and rope pushdowns, barbell shrugs, and standing calf raises. Before you start the program, you got to figure out what your 1 rep max is on all your compound movements. That is the squat, bench press, barbell row, deadlift, and overhead press. You can test your max the old-fashioned way, or you can find a chart such as this one. Alternatively, you can go to your favorite search engine and type in 1 rep max calculator. Click the first one that pops up and give you some input boxes. And just put the amount of weight and how many reps you can lift it for. So let's say 225 for 10 repetitions and hit calculate your 1 rep max. The search results will give you a list of weights, percentages, and repetitions. I find it to be rather accurate. Once you have your numbers, you're ready to get started. The program suggests using 80 to 85% of your 1 rep max. And if you're brand new to weightlifting, you should just start with a bar. This will allow you time to perfect your form and technique. I recommend starting a little lower, 60 or 65%. Remember that we're going up 5 pounds every single workout, so starting at a lower weight will help facilitate adaptation and keep morale high. Now, 5-pound increments may not seem like much, but let's do some math. 3 workouts a week times 5 times 52 weeks in a year. That's a 780-pound increase if plateaus didn't exist. Unfortunately, that's unrealistic. Once you hit a plateau, though, you'll just drop 10% off of your load and start the program again with the new calculations. Now is a good time to use those microplates. Instead of going up 5 pounds, you'll only go up in 2.5-pound increments, allowing your body further time to adapt. And if we're not fluffing around, and we're serious about our health and fitness, we should be following the program. Let's review the program now. Nutrition, sleep, weight training, and cardio. We call this the program. By following the program, we're optimizing our body's function. This is U to the 2nd power. This is U to the 3rd power, U to the 4th power, U to the 5th power, amplifying your results many times over. Now let's break down nutrition. This is, if we're bulking, that's going to be 1.5 grams to 2 grams of protein per day. A recomp would be 1.2 to 1.5 grams. And a cut/maintenance is 1.25 grams of protein per day. 3 to 4 servings of vegetables per day. And 2 to 3 servings of fruit per day. We want to have a diverse range of different foods that will strengthen our gut health. That's your immune system. It will optimize body function while alternating the foods you eat daily will also prevent food sensitivities. We want to maximize our ability to process proteins and be in good health. Having a shot of apple cider vinegar every morning, and it has to say with mother on it, will provide our bodies the proper prebiotics for a good, diverse, healthy gut. If you haven't watched my video on how to achieve a 315-pound bench in 90 days and you want to, you can find it here. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button A like really goes a long way to help me grow my channel. If you would like to see more content just like this, please hit the subscribe button. I try to come up with new content as often as possible. Feel free to comment. I do read all the comments and I appreciate the feedback. You can also find me on YouTube Podcast and Spotify at Fitness Protocols with Brando. Thanks again, and let's grow a stronger mind, body, and spirit one day at a time. Until next time.